Okay, so I broke this up into two videos, lads, because it took a bit of time. So question 11 then to finish off. Joanna's 18 years old. Write an expression in terms of X for Joanne's age in X years time. So you can imagine if we think of Joanne is 18 years old. If she's 18 now, and in 2 years time she would be 20, that's fine. In 10 years time she would be 28, but in X years time she's 18 plus X. Okay, so that's the expression that we have to use. She's X years, in X years time she would be 18 plus X years old. It says then Joanne's mother is 43. Write an expression in terms of X for Joanne's mother's age in X years time. Okay, so same idea, but Joanne's mother is 43, so we start off with 43, and again we're adding X. So in X years time Joanne is going to be that old, and her mother, Joanne's mother, is going to be that old. Okay, the problem says then, let's go back. Question then says, write an equation in X to show this information. We've done that. Oh no, sorry, here. In X years time, Joanne's mother will be twice as old as Joanne. Alright? So in X years time, so, sorry, when Joanne is this old and when her mother is this old, Joanne's mother will be twice as old as Joanne. So what I can do is that I can say in X years time I've got Joanne's mother 43 plus X is going to be that old, whatever that number is, and then she is going to be twice as old as Joanne at that time. So she's going to be 18 plus X, but Joanne's mother is going to be twice as old as Joanne. So we can say that that is equal to twice what Joanne is going to be. Remember, this is Joanne's mother, this is Joanne, and I've got the 2 in front of the bracket now, representing the fact that she will be, that Joanne's mother will be twice as old as Joanne will be at this time, in this year, whatever year it is, and we're going to figure that out in a minute. Alright, so that's what we've got as our equation now, and we just need to figure out, it says solve your equation to find the value of X. Okay, solve your equation. So all we're going to do now is solve for X to finish this off. So get rid of my brackets first. 43 plus X is equal to 36 plus 2X. I've multiplied 2 by 18 and 2 by X, and then X is to one side, numbers to the other. So I can bring X is on the left hand side, we usually do that, don't we? So the X is over here, so that's staying put, that is moving, so that becomes minus 2X, and I've got 36 is over here already, and I'm going to bring that 43 over, it's going to become a minus also. So sorry, that's 43. So I've got X minus 2X gives me minus X, and I've got 36 minus 43 is minus 7. Okay, now I've got 2 minus values, so what I can do is, remember we did this before, I can either have X is equal to minus 7 divided by minus 1. We can do it like that, because you can imagine there's a minus 1 in here, minus 1X. Okay, so we think about that like that as the minus 1, and that then becomes X is equal to 7. So X is 7. Alright, so we figured out what X is, but let's just see what the question says. Find the value of X. Now, just to make sure that we're clear on it, I know that X is 7. So let's go back to where we started off with. Joanne, sorry, we'll go back, get rid of that. Just can't see what we're doing. Joanne is 18 plus X, and Joanne's mother is 43 plus X. So imagine, if Joanne's mother is 43 plus 7 is 50, and Joanne is 18 plus 7, which is 25. And that's telling me that Joanne's mother is twice as old as Joanne in 7 years, or when x is equal to 7. So when Joanne is 25, Joanne's mother is 50. Done.